Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we show you how to erase a drawing in a PDF, step by step, in case you accidentally added marks, annotations, or sketches to a PDF. This tutorial is for your computer dashboard. Let's say you have a PDF here with an image, and you want to delete the drawings, images, or pictures from it. All we need to do is open our browser and go to canva.com. Once we're in Canva, we just need to upload the PDF file from our computer. As you can see, here's our file with the image or drawing. Once it's uploaded, we open it, and then we simply select the drawing or image we want to delete and remove it. As you can see, it's now removed. Now we can download and save the file back to our desktop by clicking Share in the upper right corner. This lets us download the PDF without the drawings or images. Click Download, choose PDF, and then click Download. This process helps us remove drawings, handwritten marks, or annotations from a PDF quickly and easily, while keeping the rest of the document unchanged. And that's it. Now we know how to erase drawings, images, or photos from a PDF file.